Editing doesn't have to take you hours or even days as a beginner starting out on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to be showing you one single AI that can do your editing for you in just one click. And the fun part of this is that it is completely free. Let me show you guys. If you're new on my YouTube, welcome. My name is Nkechi and I help beginners kickstart their YouTube channel from scratch. Let's get right into the video. The AI I'm talking about is called Vmake AI. We're here on this page right here. I've been using, the reason why you can see some of this video is because I've been using this AI recently for like 2 months now. So the first thing you want to do, this AI, first of all, let me tell you, this AI has the desktop version. It has the desktop version and also have the phone version. Now, one is the phone version, of course. So we're going to start by clicking on create talking video. Don't worry, you will see what I'm trying to do here. Guys, for instance, I'm going to pick a video that is a bit lengthy and a video that belongs to me, a video that I made myself. So, okay, let me just take a video that I made before. Now we have this one. I hope the network is okay enough for us to be able to do what we're about to do here. So guys, this AI, this app is going to blow your mind. Like, it literally just cut out all the bluff that you could be doing with your CapCut and your InShot for a whole day, and you're trying to perfect your video but you cannot. So with this AI, it's trying to process it to add it subtitle, but we're not going to be adding subtitle here. We're just going to use it straight to do some tweaking. I don't want to say few tweaking, but a lot of tweaking we're going to be doing here if time permits us. Let me say, I don't want this video length to be more than anything 10 minutes. So guys, I'm going to be back after this thing has completely loaded. I'm trying to make use of a shorter video so that this doesn't take long for it to process. Okay guys, it has brought us to exactly where we want it to be. So you can see all of this. These are the same thing that you see on your CapCut or InShot or any other editing app that you're using. So we're going to click on this trim here. Guys, you see what I'm talking about. When you come here, you will already see all the silence that is cutting out. It will cut out all of this silence for you. And then not just about the silence alone. Let me see. You see this place, you will see places like repetitive. It will also trim out all the repetitive words out for you. And this app is just so good because it helps you to cut down on all the time that you're using to do all the cut and join. And the best part of it is it helps you to do a very nice cut. Nobody will even notice that there was a cut in between your videos. Now, I don't want to do much here. You already see what I just showed you. Let's now delete only the 7 items that it gave us. You can select more than that. That's why you have to go through all of them one by one. And then all you need to do is just for you to click on this. You just check mark it. Check mark it until you're completely okay with what you see. And then you go ahead to click on delete also. Now, let's now delete it. After you have finished deleting it, then click on this mark here, on this. Now, here we are. So it has brought us here. But we do not want this caption. We don't want caption on our video at all. So you just come here, turn off this icon you're seeing here. Just click it. It will turn off the caption. Now, we are done with that one. You come here also, just click on the effect. It will bring you to AI enhancer, and then all of this, you go ahead to pick any one. Guys, let me say, regardless the fact that this AI gives you a lot of free features, more than the scripts that everybody has been talking about or any other AI. I came across this AI a lady was talking about, one of the lady on YouTube talking about this AI, and I tried to go and I clicked on that AI, and guess what, guys? You have to pay before you have access to any of the feature. But this one, it gives you a lot and lot of access to the features. only few features that you need for your pro. After you have finished making use of any of this, and then you also go back again, check your audio. In case, let me show you one thing that will blow your mind here. The not here. When you come to your audio, guys, let me show you. It will say voice enhancer. Now, let's see. You see here, when it brings you to voice enhancer, probably maybe you're making a video in a place that your video echoes. Thank God it has given us very good opportunity of making use of the clear feature. Now, all you need to do is just come here, click on the clear, on the one that says clear, and
So that's
that
it,
is it.
guys.
You
The
already
good thing
have
about
a
Vmake is
clear
that you
voice,
can use it even
clear
when you're not
sound
subscribed to
on
it.
your video.
If you're in Nigeria and you're a small channel like me,
Just
got
you
to
can see,
buy
like I told you
data
yesterday, if you're the
subscription.
kind of
So
person
not
who
all these
talks
are
side the
available to
nose
you.
like I
And
do
not for
when
you
I
to put
talk,
your video
my
out
voice
there.
feels like
No
something is
more
blocking my nose.
struggling
That's the
with your
nature of my
CapCut
voice.
or your
So when
InShot
you,
and
if
all
you
of
are
that.
someone who doesn't
Just
like
your
it, I
Vmake
like my
app,
voice.
and
You
then
come
you're
here,
good to
you
go.
just click on nasal
trim
reduction,
out all
and
the
then that is it.
unnecessary
Or
part
maybe
of
you
your
have
video.
flu
It will
and
help you to
you have to
enhance your
make your
video.
video, by all means,
Also, you
just
can
come
even
here,
make
click on
thumbnail.
nasal and it will get it,
I've
or
shown
it
you
will clear
around.
your
You
voice.
can see that
So
it can make
guys, just play
thumbnail for
around
you
all
and
this,
it help
and
you.
then you
Everything
come
that
here
CapCut does
also.
for you, it
It
does it
gives
for
you
you just
access
within
to
a
some
click. So guys,
music.
what are you
And let
waiting
me
for?
tell you,
Make sure you go
since
to
it
the
is already an
description
AI
and
that you
click.
have access to,
I'll
you
put a
do not
link in
have
the
problem with
description.
anything
This
called
is not me.
copyright.
I've
So
not
guys,
even
let's go
done.
back. This one is about the voice enhancer. I do not want, since I'm not really using this video, so I do not have to enhance it. I'm just using it to show you guys how this stuff works. Now, if you want to play around your voice and all of that, you can also come here, the voice changer. You change your voice as much as you want. Right now, I think my network is a bit bad. So guys, this is why I said, if you also want to auto dub your video, sorry guys, this is where you have to this is where you have to, one of the auto doubling is a feature you have to pay for, so we're not going to make use of that. And if you are a beginner, why would you even want that anyway? So also, if you want to record, you come here, record just the same way it is on CapCut. Just go around this whole thing. You know, it is fun when you use this particular AI, this particular Vmake AI. It is very, very fun. And don't worry, guys, I'm going to put the link on the in the description. Just go ahead, download it. I'm not being paid for this. I'm not being paid. I don't have any affiliate link with this AI. I'm just trying to put out the best thing for my viewers out there so that you have access to what I use, and it will also help you a lot, even far more than it's helping me. Now, after you are done with all of this, guys, you still return back again. Let's say you made a video and you do not like the way your skin is looking. You want to do all sort of, makeup and all of that, or you want to change your skin texture. It's just for you to just, a single click. And that is, by the way, about that one. Also, let me show you. You have the choice of changing the aspect ratio just as you do it on CapCut, of course. Also here, the changing of your, okay, there are some background that I'm not able to open in the course of making this video because of my network. But you can also change your background just the same way that you're doing it on InShot and your CapCut. But guys, what makes this particular AI, this particular Vmake to be very different from every other editing app that you've been using is because it is on auto click. It is not something you have to start, doing cut and join. You can see it has already made the cut for you. And guys, let me also show you this. You see, we have a lot of different templates for your intro. If you want to make an intro for your video, my goodness, by the time I'm making this video, my network was really terrible. Guys, forgive me. So when you come here, you also have access to the ones that are free, but few of them are free, and you can just, go around them and check which one is suitable for your kind of video. So guys, also, when you come here, you can also add overlay to your video. Practically everything that you can do with your editing app is what this Vmake AI is doing for you. But the good part of it is that it helps you to cut all the bluff on your video out completely without nobody knowing that you did any cutting at all. How beautiful. So guys, go ahead and download this on the link that I'm going to be putting on the description and start making videos every day. From this moment, you do not have any reason to not make video every day. It will help you because this app has the opportunity of helping you to cut all your time that you've been using. Sorry, guys, that you've been using to make editing and all of that. You know, this video, I'm not going to be editing a lot of things out of this video, but because by the time I'm making this video, I was already running out of time. So I'm just going to do some minor editing, just using this same app that I'm showing you guys. So you can see. Now, also, another thing that I want you guys to see. See, this AI gives you thumbnail. You see, it gives you thumbnail. You can just go around, pick any of the thumbnail that you want. But guys, let me warn you, one access, you only have access to thumbnail in a day. Just once, you do not have more than one access in a day. So you can pick any one that you feel is okay for you. Also, come here, you text, and you can go ahead, just try to make use of any fonts, color, or highlights. Just go around them. You understand exactly how you can make your thumbnail. And this one, that is why I said this AI does everything for you in one click. You can literally plan and make your video here. Let me tell you, you can plan your video using this AI. Let me show you another thing, guys. Let me get out of this space right now. And let me tell you, if I get out of here, if I say save, it means I'm saving this video to my phone. If I say save, it means I'm saving it to my phone. And also, you only save the video on 1080p. You don't have access to the 2K or the 4K. But this is still okay, guys. As a beginner, this is very okay. So let me just close this particular page now and show you guys something else. Now we're back to the home page of this app. Let me show you something that will blow your mind. Do you know that this app can help to make your video? Like, it can help to literally make video, guys. All you can see, you see how it is very clear when I'm trying to make a video. I don't even have light. This is just a reflection from outside, and you can see how beautiful it's looking about that one. So let me say that when making video, add filter, can retouch your video so that at the end of the day, you do not have to go and do retouch again when doing video editing. You can also here and do some adjustments on your exposure, saturation, and all of that. Another thing that you can also do, sorry guys, another thing you can also do here is that you can add teleprompter to your video. If you're someone who maybe like you have a way of just doing all the you find it difficult just speak directly to the camera, you can come here, add your scripts to this place, and then you directly to go and make video. Also, you can remove background, can do your AI hook here, just in case you do not want to use it to do all of work. You can just come here, go ahead to enhance video. Just all you need to do is just say try now, and then it takes you to the page where you don't want to make video from, when you want to pick your video from. Also, guys, it helps you to reduce noise. But the thing about this one is that you need to have the premium subscription for you to be able to make use of this feature. You can also remove AI from video. All you need to do is just import it from album, or you can even import it from the link. You can import from the link. It can be linked from anywhere at all. It can be linked. Okay, you say, but here, guys, it's warning that you should only use link from. Okay, guys, also compose your YouTube, Instagram link, TikTok, but don't use music. Another thing it does for you is that you can crop and resize video. You can make it vertical, you can make it in any way you want. It can help you to do crop and resize. Also, it can help you to write scripts. It can help you to write scripts. It is called AI script. I haven't used this particular feature myself. Okay, guys, I'm very sorry. By the time I'm making this video, I have network problem. I do not want to start going through all of this feature by one, but when you click on all tools, see that you have all of this for your own benefit. Be the case. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Go ahead and click on the link below, download it and start making your editing much better and helping yourself. God help me. I get really frustrated when I have to edit video most of the time. But ever since I found this app, it blew my mind and it has never been much easier. So that's it, guys. This is what I said. Let me show you. I hope this video helps you. Bye. That's it, guys. As a beginner on YouTube doing content, you now know that editing doesn't have to take forever. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more step-by-step beginner-friendly video like this. I'll see you again in our next video.